Hi, this is Mr. V, and in this video we are going to look at the difference between distance and displacement. So, we are given here a specific path that we want to draw out and then measure both the distance and the displacement for. So let's start by drawing out that path. Let's suppose we are starting at this point here. We'll make that our start. I'll label it S. So our instructions are to move north by 5 meters. So I'm moving up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So moving north 5 squares. And there we are. Then we're moving east 3 meters. So east is this direction. So 1, 2, 3. And I'll use my ruler to make sure that these are dead, accurate, and straight. So 3 steps, so each square here is a meter, 3 meters to the east. Then we're going 8 meters to the south. Okay, using my ruler here to make sure we are really accurate. And lastly, 7 meters to the west. So west is this way. So 7 meters takes us right out to the edge. Here we are. Alright, and I'll quickly label this. So this was 5 meters. This was 3 meters. This was 8 meters. And this one was 7. Okay, we're finished over here on the edge. I'll label that F for finish. Alright, so the distance is the total length of the whole path. So to find out what that is, we're going to add up all of these distances. So my distance is going to equal 5 plus 3 plus 8 plus 7. If you have to, grab your calculator here and use your calculator. I know that 8 plus 7 is 15, 15 plus 5 is 20, plus 3 is 23 meters. So the distance for that path is 23 meters. The displacement, on the other hand, is the distance from start to finish. So that is this distance. It's the shortest distance from start to finish. So that is our displacement. I might just label that displacement. Now you can use Pythagoras here to figure it out. You can make this a right angle triangle and use Pythagoras to figure it out, or we can measure it. So I'm going to do the measuring way because it's much easier to do. So I will use my ruler here and I'll measure that out, 0, and look at that, it is a nice even 5 meters using my ruler. So the displacement of this path, so how far away we are from the start, that is 5 meters, and I've just measured that from my grid, which is the easiest way to do it. And that is how we find the distance and displacement for a given path.